Dear students, Namaskar. Myself S.K. Rajput, and today we will learn metallurgy of iron from chapter 6. Metallurgy means general principle and procedure of isolation of elements. So, topic is how can we extract iron, crude iron, from its ore. Its main and principal ore is Fe2O3 with impurity. This is called hematite. So, if we want to extract iron from hematite, there are four basic points. These are CORP. Corp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Corp. Here C stands for concentration of ore, O oxidation, R reduction, and P for purification. In metallurgy of each and every metal, there are these four main points: concentration, oxidation, reduction, and purification. First, concentration. So, the concentration, number one, concentration of ore. We know Fe2O3 hematite have magnetic properties. So, for its concentration, we use magnetic separation method. In magnetic separation method, there is a leather belt. This is leather belt, and it has two ends. And on first end, there is non-magnetic roller. This is leather belt. This is roller, and this is non-magnetic roller. On other hand, there is magnetic. This is MR, means magnetic roller. This is non-magnetic roller. It means in this roller there is no magnet, but in this roller there is magnet. And the powdered ore of hematite we fall here by the help of any system, and this ore we fall on this belt. This belt move from left to right, and all the impurities along with ore goes toward this roller. And during the moving of belt, all the magnetic impurities, means magnetic ore, the ore having magnetic properties, it collect to near the roller, and the non-magnetic impurities just like sand, soil, silica, these are non-magnetic, and they collect on another container away from the roller. This is simple method for concentration of hematite ore called magnetic separation method. Okay, so second, O and R. O for oxidation and R for reduction. So in second and third steps, means in oxidation and reduction steps, these two steps takes place in blast furnace. Blast furnace is large apparatus used for especially purpose of extraction of iron. Listen, here I am drawing a figure for blast furnace. Listen, this is system. One minute. Here. Simply, you can draw this type apparatus. Listen, number one, this is fire bricks ball, and this system is called cup cone system. This is cup cone system. Here this is cup, this is cone, and from cup and cone system we draw here a mixture of these three things called charge. Here charge means there are 1, 2 and 3 objects. What are these 1, 2, 3 objects? Listen. Here one is ore, the ore is Fe2O3, that is hematite. Second is calcium carbonate, this is called limestone. And third is C is coke. So means these three means carbon in the form of coke, limestone and ore. These three substance we mix and called char from top side. This is called cup cone system. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 zones inside it. In first zone, this is called C stands for combustion zone. Second, F stands for fusion zone. Third S stands for slag zone. And fourth, R stands for reduction zone. So temperature gradually increase from up to down. Here approximately 550 Kelvin temperature present, and on third means slag zone there is approximately 1270 Kelvin temperature. Temperature is increasing. On second means fusion zone there is approximately 1570 Kelvin, and at the bottom there is highest temperature. In first point combustion zone the temperature is 2170 Kelvin, 2170 degrees Celsius, sorry, Kelvin temperature. And here from this area we pass oxygen, means this is hot air zone. From here we pass hot air, all the carbon coke particles react with oxygen and form CO2. From here you can see there is CO2, otherwise CO. These are hot gases removed from outlet. And at last here molten iron, the iron Fe in liquid state obtained, this is called pig iron from the bottom of this furnace. Pig iron means impure iron, and the pig iron is heavy, and above the means on the pig iron there is impurities formed in the a compound, this is called slag. All the impurities Mn, silica, all the react with calcium oxide and form slag. Slag is actually CaSiO3, this is called calcium silicate. Slag we remove from here. This is pig iron. Pig iron have approximately 4% carbon means impurities. So quickly, this is fire bricks. Here cup cone system, we fall the mixture of these three things from cup and cone system, and reactions start from here. First combustion, fusion, slag formation and reduction. Temperature increase, reaction start from bottom to up, and we pass oxygen here, the hot air, this hot air react with carbon and form CO, otherwise CO2, and these hot gases out from these means outlets. And slag is lighter, that is calcium silicate, and the heavier particle is iron in liquid state, in molten state, that is called pig iron. So look here, different type chemical reactions in different zones of blast furnace. This is blast furnace, rough diagram of blast furnace. So number 1, chemical reactions. Number 1 means C stands for combustion zone. In combustion zone, this carbon in the form of coke at temperature this react with oxygen and form carbon dioxide along with heat. This is first. Second, F stands for fusion zone. In fusion zone, this carbon dioxide gas further react with coke, because inside it the amount of coke is larger than the amount of oxygen. So CO2 react with carbon and form carbon monoxide. This is called fusion zone. And third is slag formation zone, otherwise we can say slag zone. So what is slag and how does this form? Listen, in hematite there are impurities called silica, SiO2. Maximum silica present as the main impurity. This impurity is called gangue. And here we are using calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, this is limestone. Why heat? Calcium carbonate decompose into calcium oxide and CO2. In class 10 you have studied this is decomposition reaction by the help of heat. This is the thermal decomposition. So this is calcium oxide quicklime CO. In second step, this is calcium oxide CaO quicklime. This is oxide of metal. So oxide of metal are in generally basic in nature, alkaline in nature. And in hematite there is SiO2. SiO2 is silica. This is impurity. Then impurity present in ore called gangue. This is gangue. And to remove gangue, the substance we added, this is called flux. So in exam they ask what is flux. Flux is the chemical which is added by us to remove impurities, means slag. Two impurities gangue. This flux react with gangue and form calcium silicate. This calcium silicate settle down but it is lighter, so it float on the surface of molten iron. This is called slag. So slag is the compound which is formed by flux and gangue. Here flux is calcium oxide, that is basic in nature. So this is basic flux, this is gangue and form slag. Next, the last step is R for reduction. So reduction zone, combustion zone, fusion zone, slag formation zone. This is slag form, and last is reduction zone. Means how does this iron obtained from hematite? So this is the main important zone in last. Okay, ready? In last, fourth, the last fourth is reduction zone. In reduction zone, in reduction, Fe2O3 will reduce in iron by the help of CO. CO, carbon monoxide, which is formed in second step, means in fusion step. So in the formation of iron from this, we are writing here what 23, 34, 11 and 0. What the meaning of this? Listen, there are 1, 2, 3 steps. First, I am writing this type FeO, 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 and here after the reaction, yes sir, I am writing here CO, 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 and last all the CO means carbon monoxide will form CO2. Listen. So here first 23 means 2 and 3, 34 means 3 and 4, and 11 means 1 and 1. Listen. This is called ferrous oxide. In their valency of iron is 2. This is ferrous oxide. This is ferric oxide. In first case, the valency of iron is 3. This is ferric oxide, this is ferrous oxide. And Fe3O4 is the mixture of these two. If you will add these two, 3 and 1, 2 and 1, 3, and 3 and 1, 4. So this is the mixture of these two. And all after the reaction, CO react with this will give this type. Fe3O4. Here again react in form FeO in this form, and at last ferrous oxide reduced by CO in Fe. This Fe is called molten iron, also called pig iron, which has approximately 4% impurity, 4 otherwise more than 4, and also other sub impurities like silica, Mn, phosphorus, all the impurities along with carbon. This 4% carbon and other metals are present in it. This is called molten iron obtained here. So quickly we are revising. For number 1, combustion. In combustion zone, carbon react with oxygen for carbon dioxide. Second, fusion. Carbon dioxide again fuse with carbon and form carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide used here. Third, slag formation. The most important point, slag formation. So slag is calcium silicate. From where it is formed? Calcium oxide obtained from limestone, and silica, the main impurity, main gangue particles present in ore. This is called silica, and silica react with calcium oxide gives CaSiO3. This is called calcium silicate as a slag. And fourth is the reduction. Reduction means iron from its ore particle reduced in its lower condition. Here this is ferric. So this is ferrous having 2 valency. It reduced with 0 valency. So this process is called reduction process. Here we obtain molten iron. The last and important topic is P. P stands for purification, otherwise refining. In blast furnace we obtain pig iron. The pig iron, that is impurest form of iron, in which 4% carbon, some silica, Mn, other impurities are present. So how can we remove these impurities? Listen. First, this is Fe, and fourth point last, purification, otherwise we can say removal of impurities. So this is pig iron. In pig iron there are so many impurities. Impurities basically, carbon is approximately 4%, other Mn, manganese present, and SiO2, silica present. So first, this pig iron is heated with scrap iron. Scrap iron. When scrap iron is mixed in pig iron and we heat, then scrap iron react with impurities and the impurities quantity decrease, and Fe with less amount of impurity is formed. Approximately in this there is carbon percentage 3, otherwise less than 3. This is called cast iron. But all the impurities are not removed in this condition. We are heating pig iron with scrap iron and impurities removed in less of amount. Now cast iron is formed. Again, if this cast iron is heated with ore, this ore is hematite. So in cast iron we add hematite and now heat. So what is the role of hematite here? Hematite used as oxygen. This will provide oxygen. So what will happen? Number 1, this is hematite and it will give oxygen. Oxygen react with carbon and form iron along with CO. So carbon, most of the carbon react with oxygen obtained from oxygen of hematite and remove in the form of CO. Now iron is obtained. And other impurities just like Fe2O3, this Fe2O3 react with impurity just like Mn. Manganese also present in this iron as an impurity. So Mn react with in form MnO. This is manganese oxide by manganese oxide. Again iron form. And listen, third, the MnO manganese oxide react with silica. This is impurity, this is also impurity, and these two react and give MnSiO3. This is again slag. So in cast iron, if we add hematite and heat, then maximum carbon remove in the form of CO. Mn impurity react with this oxygen form Mn. This Mn again react with silica. This is silica, otherwise sand, and form slag. Now iron, this iron is obtained. In this iron there is very less amount of carbon present. 0.5% iron is present. This iron is called wrought iron. WROUGST. Listen. So the iron which we obtain from blast furnace, which have so many impurities and carbon 4, otherwise more than 4%, this is called pig iron. The pig iron we heat with scrap iron. Scrap iron remove carbon particles from pig iron and amount approximately 3% carbon found, and the new form of iron is called cast iron. If this cast iron is heated by the mixing of hematite, then hematite behave as oxygen and provide oxygen. This oxygen react with carbon, form CO2, CO, and the amount of carbon in cast iron decrease approximately 0.5%. This is purest form of iron called wrought iron. So wrought iron is purest form, and the wrought iron having all the properties like malleability, ductility, so it is used in the formation of chain, etc. But pig iron, otherwise cast iron, is impurest form. Listen, this is impurest form, this is purest form. Purest form in which carbon is 0.5, means very less amount, but here carbon percentage is 3, so this is called impure form. But important is this, in impure form it is rust free iron, but it can corrode, otherwise it can rust. And if the carbon percentage is moderate between these two, means less than cast iron but more than wrought iron, that is called steel iron. So iron is basically 4 types. Pig iron 4% carbon, cast iron approximately 3%, steel iron in steel iron actually 0.5% to 1.5% carbon is present maximum. And last is wrought iron. Wrought iron is the purest form and having less amount of carbon percentage. So today we have discussed how can we extract iron from hematite, different form of iron and different steps for the extraction of iron. Basically depend on core concentration by magnetic separation, oxidation, reduction takes place inside the blast furnace, and these two reactions divided in 4 topics: combustion, fusion, slag formation and reduction. And last P for purification. So in purification, pig iron, cast iron, steel iron and wrought iron is formed. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.